What if you don't use a sunscreen?
Your aging will be faster.
A little faster. Sun is very good in multiple levels for you, but that is that early morning sun which is nice. How do you remove your makeup correctly? Don't rub everything like this with an oil. Teenagers, so I have a habit of saying, carry all your skincare when you come to me for the first consultation. I am shocked at the bag they bring in. And some people genuinely have 10-step regime. I'm like, do you really have the time? Protect, nourish, cleanse. Let's say start with this 3 as your mantra. Okay? Cleanse, of course, you know what to do. Now, cleanse can be very, very complicated actually. Firstly, choosing the correct cleanser can make or break your skin. So if you are a dry skin person and if you end up using a brightening face wash, for example, which may have acids in it, can harm your skin, make it further dry, irritated. Eventually, that irritation leads to pigmentation.
What is pigmentation?
Darkness of your skin. For anything. Maybe post-acne, you end up getting those black spots, gray spots, red spots. They can be pigmentation. So therefore, choosing the face wash is very important. If you are someone who's out in the pollution, dust a lot, you may need a pre-cleanse, which is oil-soluble dust has to be also removed. So you may need something like an oil to remove it off. If there's a lot of makeup, you may need micellar water to remove it off. How do you remove your makeup correctly? You remove the pigment makeup first. Don't rub everything like this with an oil. Remove the pigment makeup, then use a separate cotton to remove the rest of it. Second thing, simply protect your skin. It could be from free radical damage, from pollution, from sun, from wind, from anything.
Do you think sunscreen should be used by everyone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It just doesn't protect you from the UV rays. Protects you from the visible light, protects you from infrared rays, which can be inflammatory, make your skin red and irritated. So it really works well. So sunscreen is a must in everybody's regime in the time when the sun is up in the sky. What if you don't use a sunscreen? Nothing will happen. You may be more prone to pigmentation. You may be more prone to a slightly faster deterioration of your elastin and your collagen.
Your aging will be faster.
A little faster. You may get a little dehydrated, a little inflamed, more than the person who is nicely using a sunscreen regularly.
A little inflamed means if you have little acne on your face, it'll grow in size.
It could become little more red and more aggressive.
Okay.
Simply your skin might become red and irritated because infrared will heat up the skin. So yeah, protection means protecting from all of this, which could be moisturizer is itself a protection, right? Against the dust and the particles. Sun is very good in multiple levels for you, but that is that early morning sun, which is nice.
Or evening.
The old or the late evening, the dawn or the dusk. Then nourishing. Nourishing is, if your skin is dry, a good moisturizer is nourishing. If your skin is very dehydrated, something very nice and like a little mist on the skin could be nourishing. So nourish your skin to what it requires to quench it, to calm it. Fourth step, which is optional, is correction and enhancement. That is where you can bring in your this serum, that tube, this acid, that all that can come there.